friends, in this video, we're gonna create a model that predicts employee retention. So this model will look at employee salary, their department, their level of job satisfaction, their scoring, performance scores, and also how are they going to leave the company, yes or no. All right. So to do that, of course, you have the steps to accomplish that. So the initial step is to store all the required libraries. In my case, I need Scikit-Learn, I need pandas, I need NumPy, and I also need matplotlib and seaborn. So this was for visualization. All right. So after I've already installed them, so it says requirements ready for Scikit-Learn, NumPy, pandas, and seaborn. All right. And now we want to create a dataset. So let's go ahead and create a dataset. Change this one to Markdown, run it, and now to create a data set, we need to use pandas, spd, and also import numpy as np. Now we need to generate the random numbers. I'll say 1000, yeah. Here's our data set. And now since I did this, I just need to do data frame data, then print the head. Let's see what we got. So I've generated the numbers. And now we have printed our the column numbers, our salaries, our department, our job satisfaction, performance score, and left the company. All right. So the next step will be to do our initial data analysis. Markdown. I'll run this. Actually, if I do this, I'll leave it there. All right, no worries. So to do our analysis, of course, we need seaborn. Import matplotlib pyplot spot. All right. Matplotlib. Now we need to check the class distribution. So we also need to pay the numerical features. Let's see one more time. Okay. All right. So we're just visualizing this. Of course, a small data set, but if it's a large data set, it will be more. For this one, we're just visualizing those who have left the company with a mark 1. Those who have still with the company, they've got a 0. So those with 0 are right here, and those who have left the company are just right here. All right, and we are now also just visualizing here. Their salary, left the company. So we're looking at those who have left the company, we're looking at their salaries low, and those that are with still the company, they have got higher salaries. All right, it's job satisfaction. You can see their job satisfaction is a little bit low. Performance score, their performance score was low also. All right, let's do processing. I want to just do 2 lines of the best here. Back down and run. So from this, we need to split our data. We also need to have a test data and train data. So I'm gonna import Scikit-Learn and run this, and also, for sake of time, all right. So I'm splitting training sets and pre-processing numerical and categorical features, with numerical features being salary, job satisfaction, and performance scores, and department being in the categorical features. All right, let me run this one. Now, since we have trained our data, it's time to build the model. I'm going to use the Random Forest Classifier, and also, let's just do this. Let me look at this. All right. So, of course, we don't have large data sets, so my accuracy is 64, and or 64% if you want to. But it's doable because we need to data set. Now, once you train your data set, you need to fine tune your model. Again, markdown and run. To do this, we are going to use the GridSearch from Scikit-Learn. Let me see one more time. Right. Best cross validation. My cross validation is 0.69, which is more or less of 70%. We've tuned our model. Remember, with 64%, we have gained like 6 points, so it's better. Now we need to visualize now. Actually, turn this one to Markdown and run it. So this is the easiest part. And to do this, what I need to do is to, okay, let me run first. All right, there you go. So we are seeing which factors affect the employees to stay at the organization longer or not. So we are looking at their salary, they got a higher impact. We are looking also at job satisfaction, their scores. Departments don't really have an impact, but salary is one of the main reasons why. Now, this is maybe different because the data set is maybe also different, but basically, this is how you do it. Now, for this project, what you need to do is also to save it. So I'm going to import joblib. Perfect. So this is just saving. Use joblib to save. Remember my other tutorial. All right, so I now have it. If I look back here, I will have this employee rotation model. Okay, I'll look at this one, but basically you use joblib to save your work. That's all for now. Let's move on. Thank you and bye-bye.